Hey there! Are you interested in a rewarding and fulfilling career that combines problem solving, technology, and creativity? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about QA testers and why this might just be the perfect career path for you. First, let's clarify what a QA tester is. QA stands for quality assurance, and as a QA tester, you're responsible for making sure software products are top notch, reliable, and user friendly. Your main goal is to identify and resolve any issues before they reach the end user. Sounds important, right? That's because it is. Now, you might be wondering why QA testers are so important in today's society. While the demand for high-quality software is continuously growing, and QA testers play a vital role in ensuring that companies deliver the best possible products to their customers. Plus, with the field expected to grow 9% from 2023 to 2030, it's a stable and secure career choice. Of course, it's not just about job stability. A career in QA testing offers competitive salaries, opportunities for growth and advancement, and the chance to make a real impact on the quality of software products. So, if you're passionate about technology and want to make a difference, this might be the perfect field for you. Now let's talk about the job itself. As a QA tester, you'll be involved in various tasks like test planning, creating test cases, executing tests, reporting bugs, and even test automation. To be successful, you'll need a mix of technical and soft skills, including attention to detail, problem solving, communication, and time management. If you're a recruiter looking to hire top talent for this role, remember that assessing both technical and soft skills is essential. Make sure you have a solid interviewing strategy in place and focus on attracting and retaining the best candidates. For those of you looking to break into the QA testing field, start by searching for job opportunities, polishing your resume and cover letter, and networking with professionals in the industry. Don't forget to prepare for interviews by reviewing common questions and concerns. Trust us, being prepared will give you a significant advantage. Now, let's talk about some exciting benefits of a QA tester career. In addition to job stability and competitive pay, you can expect opportunities for growth and the chance to make a real impact on the quality of software products. Plus, you'll be part of an industry that values diversity and inclusivity, leading to a more fulfilling work experience. Speaking of diversity and inclusivity, QA testing also plays a role in promoting social impact. By ensuring that software products are safe, reliable, and user-friendly, you'll contribute to the positive effects of technology in areas like healthcare, education, and communication. How's that for a rewarding career? Before we wrap up, let's address some frequently asked questions. As a QA tester, you can expect a diverse career path with opportunities for advancement and specialization. If you're starting with no experience, consider taking online courses and gaining practical experience through internships or personal projects. There are also certifications available to help you demonstrate your expertise. And finally, let's talk about the future of QA testing. With emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, the role of QA testers is evolving. Staying up to date with industry trends and embracing change will help you thrive in this dynamic field. So, there you have it. QA testing offers a rewarding career that combines job stability, competitive pay, and opportunities for growth, all while making a positive social impact. If you're passionate about technology and love problem solving, why not give it a shot? Good luck, and happy testing!